back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the very popular round backdrop that you can use for any celebration. Here we go. Round backdrops you guys have been requesting for a while. I'm going to be making it out of foam board because making it out of wood, I need more skills than just, foam board cutting. I will learn that and I will have that for you, but for now I'm making it out of foam board, and that means that I'm not going to be able to make it 6 feet tall. I mean, technically I can, but I just don't have a template that's that big. But I do have one that is 4 feet tall. Not really a template, but something that I'm using as a template. Anyway, without further ado, I am very excited to make this for you, and I hope it works for all of your parties to come. All right, guys, let's get started. My round backdrop is going to consist of 3 foam boards from Hobby Lobby. These are 40 by 32 inches. They are bigger and stronger than the ones from Dollar Tree, and I truly recommend you get these for this project because it's much more durable and, like I said, thicker and stronger. They are each $5.99 original price, but right now they have it for 50% off, so I paid $3 for each and it was totally worth it. What I'm going to do next is use transparent tape. This is packing tape to tape all 3 of my boards together, and then I'm going to use my 48-inch round table. It's a 4-seater that you guys have seen on all of my setups with my centerpieces. I'm going to use that table as my template to draw my circle, okay? And then I'm going to cut with my craft knife. The third foam board is going to go on top of the other 2. You have to center it in between these other 2, which is like 12 inches in on each side. Okay, and I'm going to tape it along this line. And it should look something like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place the table on top so I can trace it and then cut. And here it is. Now make sure that your edges are smooth. You might have some leftover board from the other board, so just go ahead and use your craft knife and carve it off. I must say that I am so proud of myself for making a almost perfect circle. Make sure to take your time when you cut, okay? It's very important because you don't want to like go outside the lines and then it's all like, wavy and stuff. So yay me. Next, I'm going to be wrapping my backdrop with this dry erase laminate paper. This is in white, and I loved it because it's nice and shiny, and it will resemble the acrylic round backdrop that you see on Pinterest or on Google. I'm not sure where you're seeing your pictures, but this is great. The only thing is that it is pretty short, so I have to cut it in pieces. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But in the plus side, you can, use marker to write whatever you want on it, and you can just erase it, okay? Or you can place stickers on it and it's not going to pull the paper off. This laminate paper is self-adhesive, so all you have to do is pull the paper back and then place it on the backdrop and just roll it back. But please make sure that you take your time because the glue will stick to the foam board, and if you need to pull it back, you might pull the foam board off, and we don't want that. So just make sure to go very slowly, and then you are going to center the first round in the middle. So what I do is fold a little bit of the paper back. Okay, I fold a little bit of this every time I use laminate, and then I turn it over. Okay, I'm going to center it here. I think that's about right. And then I press the bottom here so it can stick to it. And then I'm going to roll the paper back, okay? Very slowly. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the other two sides. I'm going to show you another way to do it because it will help you with this line to remain straight. So what you're going to do is cut a piece of it. This is going to be the same length this way. And you are going to need help, so my husband is helping me because he's going to have to hold this down. Once you have finished placing the contact paper all the way down the line, you're going to pull the back just like you did with the other method. Okay, so there it is. The only one thing I don't like is that you're able to see the tape in the middle because the white is a little bit too thin. You can see it through a little. The one on the top doesn't bother me at all because you're going to place decorations on top of there like balloons or flowers, so there's no problem with that. But for this one, it does bother me a bit. Here are your choices. Number one, you can just place the tape in the back. That's one choice, but it's not going to be as strong. But you can still do it because the contact paper will hold it together. I still agree with placing the tape to make it stronger. So what I'm going to do is do another round of contact paper over it, so it can be darker and it can look smoother. And here's what it looks like with a second round of laminate paper. So you're going to need 2 rolls, one for the first one and one for the second round. And I also wanted to give you a tip, another tip. Make sure that your work area is dust-free and lint-free because it's going to get stuck to the bottom of the laminate paper in the sticky part, and it's going to show on your board. So therefore, that was another reason why I decided to do a second round so it can look smoother. Next, I'm going to be adding text to the middle of my board or my backdrop. I bought 2 different types of letters. I wanted to add some, colors, fun colors to the backdrop, which my balloons are going to also resemble that later. These are all capital letters and these are fun. And these are lowercase and capitals in gold. And I'm going to combine the 2. I'm not really sure what I'm going to write yet, but I'll figure it out. These were about $8.99 a pack. They are in the high end, but overall, the entire project is very inexpensive. So I did splurge, but I did have a 40% coupon from Michaels, so not bad. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you that the laminate paper I got from Walmart, and it is about $4.80 some cents, okay? So I spent about 10 bucks on the laminate paper altogether. And here it is, all ready to go. All I have to do is decorate it. I'm going to be adding a balloon garland to it and maybe some greenery, but I'm going to be doing it off camera because it's all about the backdrop today. And I just wanted to show you how I'm going to be hanging it before I start decorating. I'm going to be using fishing line, and I'm going to be using my craft knife for this. I'm going to be digging a couple of holes at the top, and then you can hang it. I'm going to be doubling it up too when it comes to the fishing line to make it stronger. So you can hang it from the ceiling or you can hang it from a stand. I'm going to be hanging it from a stand because I don't want to poke holes in my ceiling. All right, and that's that. Here. Oh. As you can see, I use a small screwdriver to perforate the hole all the way through. I'm also going to be placing a piece of tape so it can help me keep the hole from pulling through once I place the fishing line. It's not the strongest, but you know, it will help a little, okay? It's not that heavy, but I just wanna, you know, use it as backup. This is it. This is my round backdrop that is not 6 foot tall. It's actually 4 by 4. But it is absolutely cute and very adorable, and it does the job of the actual 6 foot tall one. Okay. I'm going to have the information of the round stand that you see it hanging from, so you guys can make it if you like this look. I'm also going to be attaching my balloon garland tutorial at the end of this video. Can't wait to decorate it. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my round backdrop, and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that love this round backdrop look, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.